If you want to make your own electrolyte beverage at home, you can do it very easily with just a few ingredients. First, we're going to start with a couple cups of water. So 2 cups of water. And then this recipe calls for 1.5 cups of unsweetened coconut water. So this is an unsweetened coconut water. This is a little bit more than 1.5 cups, so we'll just measure out 1.5 cups. To there. Calls for 1/4 teaspoon of salt, which is a very small amount of salt. And that is just to help to replace sodium you might lose if you're doing something where you're sweating quite a bit. Put the salt in there, just 1/4 teaspoon, a little bit extra over the shoulder. And then it calls for 1/4 cup of lemon juice and 1/4 cup of lime juice. So I already washed these lemons and limes. I'm gonna cut that. This is a handy little juicer that my wife uses all the time. Let's see if I get 1/4 cup out of this. It juices, it measures, and it strains. So that was half a lemon, ended up being 1/4 cup, so I'll put that in there. And then let's see how the limes do. Smells good. A little bit shy. Try another half. Almost. A little bit more. There we go. So 1/4 cup of lime juice. So this is for like a lemon lime flavored electrolyte drink, which is kind of a classic flavor for Gatorade. We'll mix it up. You could also do this in some sort of bottle with a cap that fits tight, and you could shake it up to really get everything mixed in there. So this particular drink is going to have a lot less sugar than like a commercial Gatorade. These Gatorades, or this Gatorade and this Powerade, these are a sugar-free version, but they also have an artificial sweetener in there. So this is kind of a more natural, so to speak, version of an electrolyte drink. We'll mix it up. Good to go. And grab a glass. We'll try a little sip. It's hot out today, and I'm about to go mow the lawn, so this will be a very fitting drink for my lawn mowing today. It even looks a little bit like Gatorade. Yeah, not bad. Be really good, icy cold on a hot day. So if you want to avoid the commercial Gatorades or you're looking for an alternative, you can make your own at home. You could do lemon lime, or really you could use any sort of juice in place of the lemon or lime juice. Maybe something sweeter, orange or pineapple or something like that. Give it a little bit sweeter taste and some flavor, some vitamins. And it's a good way to stay hydrated when it's hot outside or when you're working out or doing something where you're sweating a lot.